Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets video channel here on YouTube. And today we're going to be talking about the trouble with angels. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to other websites, including Amazon.com, that'll have an offering of all 10 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. Angels are a big deal in San Miguel, which makes sense considering the town was named for St. Michael, the most famous angel, after Lucifer, the fallen angel. Michael is an archangel, the first level of angels created to look human. The most popular type of angel is a guardian angel. A guardian angel is assigned to you at birth for protection during life on earth and guiding you into heaven upon death. Basically, an unpaid traveling companion while on this earthly plane. It matters not what faith one has or hasn't. The guardian angel is simply part of being human. They've been believed in since before the start of recorded history and became an adopted concept to the Catholic Church. As a child growing up in Chocolatetown, USA, or Hershey, Pennsylvania, we were told to make room at our desk seat for our guardian angel. Skinny Patty True sat behind me. True follows Toone in alphabetical seating. Patty apparently had a chubby angel, as he or she or Hershey literally nudged Patty onto the floor, much to Sister Mary's tortures, consternation, and my personal amusement. Guardian angels basically hang around and help you with your spiritual and material concerns. What some consider intuition or the voice of God, others believe is your guardian angel chatting you up. Your angel has several ways to communicate. For example, coincidences. Many, including myself, don't believe there are any, and that the event was meant to occur for a reason. Coincidences are attributed to the work of your guardian angel. Numbers. Your angel knows what numbers are meaningful to you and will place them around. For instance, at least once a day, I notice the time is 10:10, my birthday, so I cheerfully wish myself a mental happy birthday. Feathers. Do you ever find feathers in odd places? I found 3 of them in 2 days recently on my shirt. They, like little shiny stones and coins that catch the eye, are believed to be little gifts from your angel. Something amiss? A painting suddenly hung upside down or other oddity that wasn't there a minute ago. That's your angel simply saying hello. Mine flips upside down the cat picture my son painted in middle school. Sure, it could be the cleaning lady, but that would imply she dusted. God knows I don't. Flowers. Suddenly you smell a bouquet of flowers when none are around. It seems angels smell lovely. Baby visions. As every parent and most pet owners have seen, there are times when babies and pets see something you do not. I remember having my baby, cat, and dog all sitting together watching something scoot about the room, much to their fascination, with all 3 heads turning in unison. I saw nothing. It is best to catch your angel when he or she whispers to you, because if they end up yelling at you, it'll be a really bad day, particularly for you. For centuries, Dominican clergy have been encouraged to name their guardian angel to facilitate the celestial communications. There is a subset to guardian angels that you'll see in every church in town. They are a pair of angels that are always surround Jesus in any form, like the baby, Eucharist, on the cross, etc. They are called custodian angels, and they never look at you. Rather, their focus is on Jesus, and normally they have matching of slightly different clothing and body types. I have a custodian angel in my bedroom from a church torn down. He's sad, holding a candle stand, seemingly discontent to only have me to watch over, not Jesus, and knowing his twin didn't survive the border crossing into Mexico. Learn from me, never separate custodian angels. They don't bounce back with grace, which is surprising for an angel. As always, please feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications of the nearly daily releases of new videos here in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets video channel.